Hey, Megan here, back with part 2 of my weekend diaries. Last weekend, to recap, you saw us go to a tractor pull, you saw me organizing my closet, going to a country auction, decorating my front porch, and then the video was so long, I cut it off right there. So if you missed that video, go ahead and watch that one after this one, or maybe before this one. And now, on to the continuation of that weekend. Okay, I feel really gross and disgusting, but before I take a shower, I wanted to quickly show you what I picked up at Goodwill yesterday. I actually found a lot of stuff. I'm gonna quickly go through the clothing, and then I have some really fun decor stuff, and I'm gonna show you some ideas I have for like DIY Christmas gifts, so I wanna know what you think. First of all, I got some pants for Fletcher. He's always needing pants. I picked up a lot of size 2T because that's what I was finding, and I normally don't buy that far ahead, but the stuff was in pretty good condition, and I just don't know how fast he's gonna grow. I feel like he's definitely growing faster than Evonnie did. So I picked up a lot of 2T stuff for him. This is a little 2T skirt for Evonnie. She can wear that now. Another set of pants. These are from the Gap, Baby Gap. They're really cute. Another little fluffy white skirt. We'll see how long she can keep this thing white. Some shorts for Fletcher. Some pants for him. He can wear these right now. They're size 6 months. A shirt, and I like that those sleeves are waffle knit. I got this glittery heart shirt for Evonnie. It's actually 3T, but I feel like she'll be able to wear that decently soon. Another shirt for Fletcher someday. This is so my style. It's like more grown-up looking. Red and black. Oh my word, please tell me. I cannot imagine I'm gonna have a little boy this big to hug and squeeze and scold and oh my. Yeah, so I got this little hoodie for Fletcher someday. Yeah, it might seem like I'm buying really far ahead, and I normally just try to stick within the year I'm in, but it was like brand new looking. And one more toy. I got this for $3.99. It is a work belt. It's a little big for Evonnie or Fletcher right now, but this is what Josh does for a living. He roofs and does construction, so they can be like their dad. Okay, moving on to the stuff I'm really excited about. Okay, first of all, this springform pan is like super old school. I was trying to find a date on it. All I can find is that it's made in Germany, but I feel like this thing must have a story. I got this for $4.99, and my husband and I both love cheesecake, but like one slice of cheesecake and then we're done. You know, it's so heavy and rich. But I wanted to try it, and I know you can like make bundt cakes with this. I think, isn't that what this is for here? And my mom has a really good bundt cake recipe that I've always wanted to make, and I think I can actually make it in this pan. We will see. So now that I have a little more storage in my kitchen, I thought I'd have room for that. Okay, then I found this little tray. It's very tarnished, but it is silver, and it is by WS Blackington, I think it says. But I thought I just like the shape of it. It has little feet on the bottom. I don't know if you can see there. But it is a little tarnished. We'll see what I do with it. I thought this could look great for fall with some pumpkins or something, since, you know, I'm so into decorating for fall right now. Okay. Next two items, I thought they were just too adorable to leave there. They kind of have more of an Aztec feel to them than what I would typically go for, but I really like the earthiness of them. They're little clay pots, and they actually have handwritten scratches in the back in another language. I can't read them, but I guess somebody signed it, that whoever threw the pot signed it, and then it's hand painted, and they're like ceramic inside. So yeah, I really am happy with these, and I thought they would go great for styling my bookshelf. Orange has always been my color. I look terrible in it. You can see I'm very ghastly looking in this color, but I love orange. I used to drive an orange car, and I'm so lucky right now that orange, or however you're supposed to say it, is like totally in style right now. You can find a lot of orange or rust or salmon colored things out there, persimmon. Anyway, so I am in luck, and I thought that would accent in my living room pretty well, but I have to wait till I see everything together to get the overall effect. And I got this pot as well. It is, I don't know, it feels like a mud clay thing. I'm sure it's nothing exotic, but I got it for $1.97. It looks like it has burn marks inside it, so I'm wondering if it used to be like a candle. I don't know. But it cleaned up really nice, and I thought I could always drill a hole in it and use it for a planter, or just set this on my shelves again when I go ahead and style my bookshelves beside the fireplace. There's 3 of these here. I only picked up one. The handle's really big. I like that part. Can't you picture this with some like fluffy whipped cream on top? But I'm not a huge hot drinker, so I'm thinking I'll probably use this more for decor. It's a little heavy for my taste, but it's kind of masculine too, and so I figured I can always use it for pens or something like that. Part of me wonders if I'd actually pick it up if it wasn't fall, but there's like gold and terracotta colors in it, and I really, really like it. Okay, and normally I don't think about Christmas ahead of time at all, but moving into this sun porch makes me just long for green plants and stuff. Anyway, I picked up this pilea plant, I think is what you call it, and it's shooting out all these little babies down here, and it says it's actually designed like a friendship plant where you break off the babies and you give them away as gifts. So I thought if I break off these little baby plants, I could use them at Christmas time because my mom's side of the family usually gets together and does like little DIY gifts. Last year I made little tote bags for them. Often people make handmade food items or crafts, whatever. And I thought I found all these little wooden tureen things. I don't know what they are, little pots. And I thought that since they're wooden, my husband can easily drill holes in the bottom for, drainage. And I could plant these little pilea plants in there. By the way, all plants need names, right? I feel like this plant's name is Nefertiti from like Egypt way back in the day. Yeah, doesn't she just look like a Nefertiti? Oh man, anyway. So I got 3 of these. They were 97 cents a piece. So that means my gift will be like $1 a piece if I can keep collecting some more items like this. So I had 3 of those and then I found 2 like this. So I have the darker wood and then I have the more bamboo looking IKEA colored wood. So, and these say they're made in Malaysia, especially from Macy's, so I guess that's where you could have got them. And these were made in Thailand. I feel like these pieces have stories to them, I don't know why. Anyway, so possible DIY Christmas gifts coming up if I can find enough of these. If not, maybe I'll just keep them for myself. You never know. Anyway, I think that's all for my thrift haul. I hope you enjoyed that. So my kids are going to wake up from their naps soon, and Josh is going to be back from golfing. He went out golfing with a friend he hasn't seen in a while. I think they just did 9 holes. Anyway, so he'll be back soon as well, and then I'm going to make a solo grocery run. Normally on Saturday nights, we are away. Like, we never are at home on a Saturday night unless we're hosting a party or something like that. It's very rare that we don't have something on our calendar on a Saturday night. And so tonight we actually don't, which is completely okay with me. We've had a busy weekend. Tomorrow, like I've told you, we're hosting for a big chicken barbecue, so it's not going to be like a huge day of rest tomorrow on Sunday. So I'll probably just run to the store for some groceries. I did go for groceries yesterday, but I was shopping with my friends at a BB's grocery outlet. Maybe you guys know what I'm talking about. And they don't have everything. It's like a surplus store. So I need to run to Walmart and pick up a few things yet. And then I don't know what we're going to do this evening. Maybe I'll catch up with you, and maybe the next time you see me, it will be Sunday. We shall see. But I just wanted to take this time right now to let you know that if you haven't subscribed yet, there's no time like the present. Also, share this video if it reminds you of anybody you know of or somebody that would like enjoy this type of a video. I would definitely love it, but if not, keep on watching. We're not done yet. So Evonnie and I are folding laundry, and Josh is getting the robot vacuum set up in the upstairs here, finally. Are you scared of it, Evonnie? It's okay. And Fletcher's 6-month birthday is today. He's crawling now. He has been for about a week and a half. Yeah, haven't you? He gets around. Yeah, you do. Yeah, you do. Come get mama. Come get mama. Evonnie was this size when she was walking. But yeah, my life's about to get a whole lot busier. Isn't it, buddy? Isn't it? Evonnie, do you like Rocky? Do you like Rocky?
Yeah.
Yeah, but you're scared of him. Ooh, carpet lines. And I didn't even have to make them. Come, come, come. Oh, here he comes. He's saying, yeah, I'm coming to get ya. Oh, don't pull him. He can't do it that way. Doesn't he crawl fast enough for your liking? She's trying to get him to go faster. What are we gonna do? Are you helping Mommy fold laundry?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, show Mommy how you fold a washcloth. How does a 2-year-old fold a washcloth? You jump in the laundry. Okay. Then what? Okay, fold it for Mommy.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so it's folded now?
Yeah.
Okay, are you gonna get another one?
Hi.
Folding laundry with a 2-year-old is twice as fun and twice as slow, if you know what I'm saying.
Good dog. Come, Rio. Come on. Where's Daddy? Hey.
Are you ready for church, little guy? Your suspenders on, those shorts won't fall off anytime soon, will they? Here you go. Here you go. Say thank you, Mommy. Evonnie, are you gonna sit nice in church? Are you? Are you gonna sing songs? Okay, we'll see.
Dad. Daddy.
So it is Sunday afternoon and we are getting this chicken barbecue rolling. Let me know, is like chicken barbecue outside like in a pit, is that like a local thing or do you guys have those in your area too? If you don't, you're so missing out. It's so good, but let me show you what all goes into barbecue chicken, or at least our version of it. This is like a vinegar and butter sauce. Yes, there's 1.5 pounds of butter in there and some Worcestershire sauce and water and salt. And then this is the pepper. I kept the pepper separate because if you put the pepper in with this stuff goes into a sprayer and the pepper clogs the sprayer. So my husband's just gonna sprinkle it on throughout and then he'll know how much to use because I have it pre-measured for him there. So I will show that process happening now. And now when you're really serious about buttering your chicken, you stick it in a sprayer. So this is just basically getting sprayed on the chicken all afternoon, and then here is the sauce that you baste the chicken with. Guys, chicken is supposed to be a good, healthy source of protein, but yeah, not when my husband gets a hold of it. This is 4 sticks of butter and 3 cups of sugar, ketchup, which has more sugar in it, I'm sure, mustard, which is good for you. Anyway, and this gets served alongside the chicken, plus it gets basted on throughout the day as well. Oh my goodness. So here we have 2 bags of red onions, and then I also have 3 bags of golden potatoes. And these potatoes and onions are gonna get treated exactly like the chicken. And it will all just get dumped in an insulated ice chest, and yeah, it will be delicious. So here I am out my front porch again. I just keep being drawn out here. It's like the one pretty place in my house besides maybe the sun porch. And yeah, it's just a nice place to come. I'm so glad I decorated it. I just feel like I'm gonna get a lot of joy out of having a nice front entrance. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this vlog. I think I'm gonna cut it off here. I will include some clips of our evening. And yeah, we really got a lot done this weekend. And we also did a lot of fun things too. So I would love if you would take the time to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye guys. video is not sponsored in any way. If you are wondering why you're seeing more sponsored videos on my channel lately, it's just that a bunch of really great brands reached out to me at the same time, and I couldn't say no to them because they were all brands that I really believed in. Guys, you would not believe it. Some months, all I get is duds, you know, all these emails, spam emails, and it's nothing that I'm even remotely interested in, but it's been good lately. I've been finding some really great sponsorships and partnerships to do, and I hope you guys are okay with that. It really does help to make my time here on YouTube worthwhile, and also it just helps my family out. So thank you so much. Don't forget to check out part 1 of the Weekend Diaries if you haven't already. And here's another video that I think you would like. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time, guys. Bye.